Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3, these are MTW3 wireless earbuds, and you need to do a soft reset on them because they are not connecting to your Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting or something like that, some kind of troubleshooting issue where you're trying to get them to work, but you do not want to clear the pairing history, you do not want to restore factory default settings, you're just trying to force power cycle them to clear out any faults that you are having. Now, if you want to do this on these earbuds, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is put them in the case and then close the case and then wait 10 seconds. As long as you put them in the case, close the case, and wait at least 10 seconds, this will cause the earbuds to basically power off, and then when you open it, they will power back on. If you leave them less than 10 seconds, it won't power off, so they'll still be on from before, but once they've been in 10 seconds, they'll power off. And then you can take them out and power back on. And hopefully that'll fix whatever issue you're having. And if if it doesn't fix it, then you might want to move on to a hard factory reset. And I'll put a link in the description to how to do that.